This is the S&P 500 one-day reading for August 18th, 2023. It's currently June 26th, 2023, 7:48 p.m. Eastern Time. And the shuffle file we're about to play was created on June 16th, 2023 at 11:30 p.m. Eastern Time. That's this file right here. So the overall theme of behavior, we're looking at reversals. I think this is a pretty mixed day based on what I'm seeing here, but there's at least two notable reversals that'll stand out. I think they're probably... Well, we'll look at it in more detail in a second. The high and the low for the day are within close time proximity to each other. In the high, there'll be sideways rotation along key support near the high, and that'll increase with bearish momentum as we move forward in time. And then behavior around the low, looks like we have a pop and drop. So usually when you see a pop and drop, that means that there's two lows with a high in between. Usually, we'll look at it in more detail. I'm advised to trade around a brief peak that's forms when we break through resistance momentarily. We stay above it briefly and we break back down through the same price level. It's possible in the midst of this resistance here at the end of the day before the low, like when we're popping drop here, I might have opened up a position, but here all these yellow translucent correlations are opportunities in the midst of rally to open up short position. And it looks like we probably open higher and then decline in the pre-market, but that decline is mixed. It turns around and we rally into the open. When we meet a key resistance at a technical price level there in the first half hour or close to the open, by key technical price level, I mean it's important on at least like a 1 month scale. From that, we decline pretty notably into a volatile period between 10 and 11. And in the midst of that volatile period between 10 and 11, there's a sharp drop that'll stand out. On the way down to a low, we have a day's low, first day's low here between 11 and 12. It's opportunity to open up a long position in there. And then we have a significant move to the upside out of that low, a rally that increases with momentum moving forward in time. And there should be a high that forms anywhere between 12 and 2, but probably close to like 115. There'll be a prominent move higher followed by a full retracement of that move back down, and there's a big move to the downside around 2 o'clock, continuing downward in the midst of some price swings in the last hour, but continuing downward to revisit a key support level in a period of sideways rotation around the close. And there'll be a sharp drop that stands out in that period of sideways rotation. Ace of Swords at the end of the day mixed with the satiety energy. There's probably a lot of price change either in the post-market or overnight or to reach this support level, or maybe all three, hard to say. But we likely open lower on the 19th, and that's most likely location of our lowest low there on the 19th. It's possible that we saw the lowest low on the 14th, 15th, and 16th, and then we come back to it here on the 21st. My sense is that these are probably lowest lows thus far on the way to a lowest low, which is somewhere here around the 21st or 22nd. I would look for opportunity to open up a short position in the midst of any early morning rally, close that short position at a low there before noontime, and then in the midst of that rally that increases with the momentum moving forward into a high somewhere around 115-ish, I would open up a short position, and then you could close that short position in the midst of a sharp decline before 3 o'clock, or you could hold it and close it when we revisit a support level at the close. You could have a short position and hold it over the weekend if you wanted to as well. In any case, that's the S&P 500 for August 18, 2023. My friends, let me know how you do. Love to hear those stories. Make sure to follow that rule of karma. You do so here at the resources tab of our website, where we ask that you take 5% of the profits that you make from the information of this channel and you donate it forward to one of these charities, and 5% of the profits donate it back to the channel here. That leaves you at 90%. It gets you abundance mentality, gratitude mentality, and a clear conscience. All three necessary components of a clear manifestation. And make sure to follow that rule, and the universe is going to send it back to you tenfold through this channel, my friends. I'll see you guys on the next one.